Want to create multi-angle shots of one single character like me? Then watch the trailer first.
It is beginning to show. Now you see the truth.
If you want to create such cinematic shots, maintaining character consistency, then watch the complete tutorial.
Step 1. Create the main character. Now, this character will depend on the movie which you are going to create, right? Now, I'm going to create a sci-fi movie featuring myself as the main protagonist. So, for that, you will have to actually create the first prompt, which I would urge, if you want me to provide you, you can type prompt in the comment section. I will be providing the main character's prompt or codex to you so that you can change it accordingly. Now I've taken this prompt from here and now go to Higgsfield. In Higgsfield, you will be getting this image option. From here, choose Nano Banana. Now you would be getting the link of Higgsfield in my description as well as in the pinned command. Now here, you will have to attach your image. Okay, you go to this plus button and then attach the image, preferably of your front faced image. Okay, so I'll be probably taking this image, or from here I'm taking this image. Open. Now this image I want to use as a base image, and here I would be just pasting the same prompt. Okay, so let it upload and just paste your prompt here. You can also include your negative prompt if you have any. Now here's some couple of changes you'll have to do. Just make Nano Banana Pro selected. 16:9 is the aspect ratio that I'm looking for. Here you at least should go for 2K resolution, but I want to show you the best result. So I have selected 4K. Now here up till 4 images you can generate. For the time being I'm keeping it 1. Now if you want, you can create this unlimited run, but I am not doing that because that takes pretty much long time. So I don't want to do that. You can keep it on or off as per your requirement. Then accordingly, number of creations will be increased. Now I will hit generate and just wait for a while this magic is happening. Now after this, the main thing remains how to generate the same characters different angle. Right, so for these I have drafted a complete detail of shots as far as camera angle is concerned, and then how to give it a compatible motion. Right, so a camera angle should be defined by the prompt and then followed by the compatible motion. Right, so if you want this complete document, you can type prompt in the comment section. I'll try to get you there, but let us understand there are almost 30 different camera angles, and similarly we can characterize them in different shots, angle and movements. Okay, there are almost 10 plus movements which we are going to use here in Higgsfield itself. So now this is in process, so let the image get generated, then I'll show you how to create the same images, different camera angles, the one you have seen at the beginning.
If you are serious about creating viral AI reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my viral AI reel mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now.
Okay, as you can see, my image is ready. This is going to be my base image. Okay, so simply go ahead and download this. Now, step 2. You need to go to the exact camera angle what you want to recreate. For me, let's suppose I want to create the close-up shot fast. So very easy. You will have to go to this prompt section. Just copy the exact same prompt what is given in the prompt document. If you want this document, please type prompt in the comment section. So I will be giving this simple prompt. Now instead of this character, all I need to do is bring that final character which you want to recreate. So I'll just bring this character here, and if you have multiple characters, then make character 1. That's all. Character or character 1. Since I have only one character, this is all I'm going to do. Now when you will be creating the camera angles, the best possible I would say model on planet is, as of now, Nano Banana Pro. So you can use Nano Banana Pro in Gemini also. The same thing I would be putting here as well. Okay, and I can add that image. As long as the image aspect ratio is 16:9, you'll be getting a similar likely result here as well. So in a normal Gemini also I'm sending it in Pro version, and I am trying for here I have more control over the aspect ratio, the resolution and all. So I need 4K resolution picture. As you can see, this is 4K resolution itself, and then hit generate. And let's wait for a while to check how this image turns out to be. Now as you can see, the problem is here. Although I have given the image, but still the image has come in 9:16. This is the main problem with the free feature. Then you'll have to give an elaborate prompt on this. Then maybe you will get it. This is the problem, but here you don't have this problem. In Higgsfield, you have the complete control over the aspect ratio, which happens to be the most important part of your movie. So let us try out some more angles. Like this is extreme close-up, so let me try out this extreme close-up angle as well. I'll be just keeping the same image, but I will be taking extreme close-up shot of that character's face itself and hit generate. With that, I will be going to the next type of angle, which is these are distance wise very close. The character is very close to the camera. Right now let us go for a low angle eye level shot. Okay, eye level shot is when the camera is standing on the eye level, right? You can have low angle shot also. So I will be taking this low angle shot first. Low angle shots are used to show something bigger than powerful, very powerful, a small little boy. If you want to show that boy very powerful, then we take low angle shots. Placing the same base, the foundation image should never change. That's what I say, that do not change the foundation image. So we also provide training, intense training on filmmaking, advanced filmmaking with AI. And if you want to be a part of our community, you can go and check our courses, filmmaking courses, which I would be adding under this content and in the pinned comment as well. If you want, you can go and check it. Now we will be going to edit option, and from edit you have something called topaz. Okay, go to topaz option and you can upload all these images to upscale it further. So if I take this image to upscale, let's say I'm taking this image to upscale, open. Once it is uploaded, you can upscale till 2x here because it is already upscaled image. So go to upscale. Okay, so it will be giving 2x bounce to the image. My shots are ready. We will be creating the video. For that, again go to Higgsfield and go to video option. Now here we use different types of video models. For this particular scene, which is the first scene, I want to use Kling model. So go to video option and I will go to Kling O1 model. Okay, here I will be taking the image because I have single image for the first frame. So I will be taking the first image, that is this one, open. And I have given the entire description. There are some negative prompts. If you want, you can avoid this. If you want this complete prompt document, please type prompt so that I can send it across. Now here I will have to select. I have selected Kling's 2.6 model. Here you can choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I'll be going for 5 seconds. Aspect ratio auto because I have given the image actually. And audio you can keep it off and hit generate.
I see what you are looking for. It is beginning to show. Now you see the truth.
3 videos are generated. I am showing it on the screen as detailed as you can imagine. This is the perfection. Now this is best model if you have only single frame. Now we will be going for multiple frames, right? 3. In Veo 3 you have 2 frames. So now I want the camera to zoom out from her face and come and focus on her full face. Okay, so I'll be taking the second frame where I want to show her complete face by revealing. Okay, so I want to give the first frame as this one, as an inception, and then the end frame, and I will be giving zoom out effect. So for this I'll be taking dolly out this effect. So I'll be taking this one and I'll be giving it here. Pull out from characters, eyes, revealing her face with environment smooth back foot. Okay, as you can see, since we are using 2 frames, there will be little more consumption of credits. 58 credits will be consumed. Okay, now we will hit generate and here our video is getting generated. Meanwhile I'll be showing you another method, that is WAN 2.6. okay, if you go to WAN 2.6, again it is a single frame. So I'll be taking the video prompt. If you want to use any other software outside this Higgsfield, then it's up to you. I use Kling very often. You can use Kling directly as well, but Higgsfield happens to be one of the most popular platform for having all different types of models under one umbrella, right? So if you want, you can use separately, but then it's better to go for Higgsfield while you have all the options together. So this is how you're going to create scene to scene animation, or close up to wide angle or orbit angle. All these types of angles are already available. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.